In this video, we bring to you a lakefront container getaway with canoes and kayaks in Swan Lake, New York, United States. This incredible home is built entirely out of shipping containers using three 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side, creating an approximately 960 plus square feet of habitable space. The modern 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house sits on a private lot with more than 100 acres of land. The main entrance opens into a big open-plan living space with a lounge, a fully furnished kitchen, and a dining space. The single-walled kitchen occupies one of the container walls, freeing up the living space for other functions. In addition, the kitchen space is equipped with a washer and a dryer inside a small alcove fitted with a well-crafted barn door. Next to the kitchen is a cozy dining space with a custom dining table that can comfortably sit four with additional bench seating. The dining area sits next to a lavishly decorated lounge space that features a sleeper sofa for relaxation and a custom tabletop. There is a TV and an electric fireplace to keep warm during colder months. The living room leads directly to an outdoor deck through the full-height sliding glass door. Of the lounge area is the first bedroom. It features a cozy double bed, storage cabinets, a TV for entertainment, and a glass window for ventilation. Adjoining the first bedroom is a minimalist bathroom with a glass enclosed shower stall, a toilet, and a modern wash and basin. Of the kitchen area is the second bedroom. It possesses a small closet, a comfortable double bed, and a sizable glass window for enough natural ventilation and daylighting. Behind the sleeper sofa is a door that opens into the third bedroom. It includes a comfy double bed, a small closet, a window for natural lighting, and cross ventilation. In between the second and the third bedroom is an up-to-date bathroom that features a fully tiled glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and a modern wash and basin. The house is well lit by huge windows which can also be opened to let crosswinds in for natural cooling and ventilation. The facade of the house has got visible grooves of the original shipping containers, which enhances the home industrial style. The pitched roof above the containers was slightly raised, allowing for airflow and keeping the containers away from harsh weather elements. This amazing home is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. What is the most impressive part of this amazing container house? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.